Today we are doing second best mod for E36, which is selector. What we got here is a chassis mount selector made by Odesa CNC. It's a Polish company and I'm very happy to try their product. Not only because my selector is shit and I wanted to do something with it anyways, but this is for a factory OEM shift knob, which makes me very happy because I don't like the aftermarket ones. So right now I can have a short shifter, chassis mounted, and have OEM look. That's the best thing I could ever imagine to have. So the difference between the OEM and this one is, first, this is chassis mounted. It goes into the chassis for a bushing, and here it connects to the transmission. We will be able to lose entirely this piece from our car. My shift knob is shit, so I got a new one. And what we have to keep is this piece. It's gonna connect right here, just like OEM. And with this, we connect to the transmission and we are able to select the gears. Okay, transferring this was super easy. Now we unbolt the bolts right here for the plate, put it in the car and sandwich it with sandwich the chassis with the plate, bolt it and test it. I need a haircut. Bad. Ooh, nice. Oh my god, so cool. OEM look, that's what I love. Now it's time to test it. Oh my god, that's such a short throw. Fuck yeah. I like it. It's a lot better. It's a short throw, so the throw is very short. It feels so much better, but there's still a little bit of play. So I gotta go under the car and investigate, because no, cannot be like this, no. Going for perfection. Okay, we found our play. It's in transmission. Maybe here. Okay, so let's start with first My transmission is shit. I knew about it. I was hoping that the selector would fix it, but it's a transmission issue, so it's impossible. I'm not that mad though, because I have a spare transmission, so worst case scenario, we just swap transmissions. Regarding the product, I'm very happy with the quality, very happy with how easy was it to install. And I will put the link in the description because I really want to recommend it to you. They also have a different styles like long and short, threaded ones. If you prefer that, I preferred OEM, so I took it. And what else? It's very good quality, really. Now, it was a good improvement for my e36. I recommend you to do the similar thing for your car if you want to. It's worth it, really. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.